So Honor has launched their new premium flagship device, the Honor Magic 6 Pro at the MWC, and we'll have a quick hands-on with the device. So this is the Honor Magic 6 Pro, and this is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 platform. And one of the specialities of this device is the 180 megapixel Periscope telephoto lens. So you can see here, this is the Periscope telephoto lens, f2.6 aperture, and optical image stabilization is included. And then the primary camera is a 50 megapixel shooter, and you also get another 50 megapixel ultra wide as well. So Periscope telephoto is 180 megapixel camera, and you can see that the matte finish here looks very premium, especially this green color looks good, and this metal finish around the camera. We have 100x zoom here, and here we have the power and volume keys. You can also see the display is a bit curved here, does give a good feel altogether. The SIM tray and the speaker unit at the top and the bottom, and looks pretty good. We have the dual camera setup as well, and here the selfie camera is a 50 megapixel camera, and there is also TOF sensor. It's a 3D biometric sensor. Then in terms of display experience, you get a 6.8 inches display. This is an AMOLED display, 2.5K display, and this is LTPO OLED panel with 1600 nits of typical brightness and 5000 nits of peak brightness. So display is definitely good. You can see here very premium in terms of looks. And let's also look at the other features. So you also get in-display fingerprint scanner, 5600 milliamp battery, and 66 watt wireless charging, and 80 watt wired charging is included. Let's also have a look at the software experience. So let's just quickly go to here. So you can see here, this is the about phone. Magic OS 8.0 is the one running on this device. You can see here Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 on a Magic 6 Pro, and Android 14 is the version. So we have tried the Magic OS 7 previously. Now we get the Magic OS 8.0 and Android 14 out of the box. So you can see the UI looks definitely good. There are very smooth in terms of experience. You can see that the control center also looks very nice. So the UI experience is definitely good, and the touch response and everything looks really nice on this device. So that's the main software experience. Now apart from that, this device comes with LPDDR5X RAM, USB 4.0 support, and it is 225 grams. You can see that, and thickness is around 8.9 mm. So this was launched at the MWC, and this is one of the really powerful devices out there for Honor series, and looks good. Now let's quickly have a look at the camera. So you can see that this is the primary camera, telephoto lens. Just press and hold and just close this. You can see here, so I can go up to 100x zoom. So this is the telephoto lens, and I can go up to 100x zoom. So you can just swipe from here and select you can just quickly have a look at. So this is how it looks. So that's the image quality. So you can go with up to 100x zoom. Now video recording, you get 4K 60 FPS support is there. So you can see here 4K and 60 FPS support is there. So that's the video quality. Yes, and there is optical image stabilization for the telephoto and the primary camera. Looks good in terms of experience. It's a very premium device, but we are not sure whether this will come to India. It's actually a very good device. We expect Honor to bring these such devices to India as well. So for more videos from MWC 2024, do hit that red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos. That's a hands-on experience with the Magic 6 Pro. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.